I was born in the Bronx, but I'm in Manhattan right now in the Lower East Side Village, seeing what's going on. So I'm going to go in the supermarket and buy some items that I might decide to cook for later for you guys. So you can come along and see me shop.
Dumpling, creamy chicken and dumpling, yeah. Creamy chicken and dumpling. So as far as some items that can make a quick, cheap meal, because in New York things it's real expensive. $3.49 for one can of whatever, chicken corn chowder, rice and salmon with some kind of greenery in it. One of these peas and an onion. It's really difficult to buy stuff that's reasonable, but you buy what you gotta get and make what you can make. So the idea to see if we could get things to make on Mitch Quickies under $10, because in New York it's very expensive. So we're gonna see what we can work with a whim. Hello, sir.
How you doing?
Yeah, that's.
Yeah, I'm done.
So we broke the $10 limit, but we only went $2.50 over. So I guess that's pretty good. At least we can make a quick meal out of this. All right, now I've all them steps. We're on the 6th floor, and I'm gonna start cooking in a little while. Just have to wash my hands first so we can start cooking. Right now, first thing we're gonna do is rice. I like all kinds of rice, but Uncle Ben's is really good, so we're gonna use Uncle Ben's today. Pour that whole thing in there because you can never get enough of rice. Water over the rice a little bit. That should be good enough amount of oil in the water. Just like a teaspoon or so, you don't have to get crazy. Okay. The rice is on high. Put the top back on it. Let that cook. You just use a little bit of oil for this so I can saute my onions. Sweet peas, I'm going to saute those. Don't have to be perfect, I just want to be cut real good so that way onions is always good to use in a meal. I can use a lot of onions in it, mushrooms and everything else normally, but as we are doing a New York meal, we got to do it with a little budget. Just only because everything is expensive here. You know, I'm from here, but I had to move away because it's too expensive. But I'm just back. Just to do 2 things for Mitch Quickies and also MitchA-Harper Universe if you want to take a look at that channel as well. Okay. And you can look at the link below as well. In there. Those around. Also, since I poured the water off the sweet peas, I'm gonna put that in there too and saute it around. We need the vitamins and minerals as well as the food. So this is gonna be a quick meal. It's gonna be delicious. Look at this. Adobo. I like to use a lot of seasoning. You know how I am with seasoning. Let's see, like 4 teaspoons of that. That's good. Just a little bit of pepper. That fry is a lot hotter, a lot faster, so you gotta be careful. Turn it around. Saute for a minute. Oh, and get soft and stuff. Those onions nice and soft. Now, why that's doing that, I like chicken of the sea, pink salmon. I got 2 of them, so I'm going to open it up. Just on the top for right now. Really good already. These are quick emergency meals I learned how to do a long time ago. Get some vitamins and stuff in there too, real good. Wow. When you heat it up from the cooking, it's going to break down anyway. So I just want to push down on it. Okay, believe it or not, this is a meal that's under $13 and it's real good for you. Quick meals. As you see that you break it down, it cooks in and blends up real good. Real quick. Okay. Every once in a while, you might want to stir it to make sure it ain't sticking. And, you know, occasionally look after the rice. But that's pretty much, rice is rice, depends on how good you cook it. Rice is done. I can plate this up, and that's a quick meal. Bam, already good. So simple. People who don't know how to cook, to see how simple this is and how good it is.